Okay, this is Module 3, Lesson 15. And this is the homework page here. Let's just take a look. This is the front page you might see here. I'm going to do number 2. And I will try to explain it. Now, just keep in mind for word problems, there are different diagrams you can do. I'm going to do one that I am comfortable with, but I have seen many others done. Unfortunately, I don't have all the time in the world to go through every single one. My wife would kill me, so I'm just going to try to keep the videos short so that I can get all the work done I need every day here. But let me start by addressing some key terms. Now, there's a lot of words here, so we need to, first of all, actually the highlighter is more fun to play with, honestly. If you have a highlighter, if you're doing this in a school or at home, wherever you might be doing it, or you could underline. I know not everyone carries a highlighter around with them like me. So just underline the keywords as I highlight. Now, the boxer in this scenario needs to lose weight. So lose is going to be a keyword. He's losing weight, so he's trying to get rid of it. So that's a clue there. In a month, to be able to compete as a flyweight. None of that is relevant. Read it, understand it, but we need to focus on the main things here, the main key terms. In 3 weeks, he lowers his weight, so lowers from 55.5 to 53.8. How many kilograms must the boxer lose in the final week to be able to compete as a flyweight? So how many weeks are we talking about here? Well, let's go back up here. He needs to lose in a month. So at the month, they do their weigh-in or whatever, and that's going to be 4 weeks. Let's just put that up here. Keep a mental note, and the visual helps up here. If we just keep it up at the top, 4 weeks to compete in a flyweight. 3 weeks, so in 3 weeks, let's highlight that too. In 3 weeks, he lowers his weight from, so 55.5 would be the starting, 0.5, that's week 1, to 53.8 would be the third week. That's the third week. So he's down. He lost some weight from 55 to 53. Not bad. But unfortunately, he probably had to work out a lot to lose that much. And it just tires me thinking about it at the end of a day. But that's impressive. So let's continue on here. So he's got to 53.8 kilograms. How much more does he need to lose in the final week? So he's got 1 more week until they do the weigh-in, and he's got to be under the weight bracket. Now, if you go back up here, he needs to lose 3.5 kilograms. Well, 3.5 is the same as 3.5, so he's got to lose 3.5 in a month or 4 weeks. And it said his weight went from this, so he started at 55. So based on that information, he's got to lose 3.5 starting at 55.5. So if you do the subtraction, I'll do my best to keep it legible over here. 55.5 minus 3.5. He's got to lose 3.5, so his final weight has to be 52 kilograms, not pounds. If he was 52 pounds, it's like a child. That's really small or really light. Now kilograms, 52 kilograms. So what is he at after 3? This one is after 3, so he's close. 53.8, that's only 1.8 that he's got to lose. Sorry, I did that in my head, but if it needs to get to 52 and he's at 53, then we just do subtraction again. 53.8 minus 52 to find the difference. And you have 0.8. 3 minus 2 is 1. So he needs to lose an additional 1.8 kilograms until he gets from 53.8 to 52, because the difference would be that. If he's at 53.8, he needs to lose 1.8 till he gets down to 52. All right.